Well, this honestly is a surprise. We did not expect to start WrestleMania tonight with the Universal Championship up for grabs.
Well, the Universal
For the past couple of years, Brock Lesnar has really had a stranglehold at the Crown Jewel event after the title was vacated because of Roman Reigns' illness. And here tonight, Brock Lesnar walks into another WrestleMania as Universal.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Universal Championship! Making his way to the ring from Davenport, Iowa, weighing 217 pounds. The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Universal Championship!
Wait a minute! Now Brock Lesnar not allowing Rollins to get in the ring as the Beast goes right after the man who wants to be the
obviously
Beast Slayer.
has no intentions of relinquishing.
Well, Rollins is not going to do it this way. Brock Lesnar right out of the box going right after Seth.
Brock is bringing the fight to Rollins tonight. This could be done quick.
And look at it, F5 outside the ring by the Beast.
Be done quick.
And look at it, F5 outside the ring.
And as a reminder, the bell hasn't rung. This match isn't even official yet.
Well, Brock Lesnar, though, going right after Seth Rollins, leaving nothing to chance here tonight. Listen to this. Will send Rollins across the table again. And Seth Rollins, who many believe was behind the 8 ball before this match even started tonight, definitely is now.
You guys realize this is brilliant what Brock Lesnar's doing. He changed the schedule of the match. He changed Seth Rollins before the bell. Now he's not even going to get Rollins in the ring.
And Seth Rollins, who many believe... With the bell!
Not till you got to check on him now. I got to check on him, Brock. Gotta make sure he's okay.
It's going to be done quick.
And look at it, F5 outside.
Come on now, Brock. Hey, come on now, Brock. Hey, come on now, Brock.
Did we fight?
Come on now, Brock.
Well, the official was doing his job.
Oh, no.
He was again sent over the top rope and crashes to the floor right out here in front of us. Seth Rollins never had a chance. Into our German announcers, Brock Lesnar.
The Beast is on an absolute rampage at WrestleMania.
Well, you heard Heyman. He felt disrespected that he wasn't in the so-called main event here tonight. That he was going to come out here, take care of business, take the old swelling is starting, and Seth Rollins, I'm not sure if he's going to be able to continue here tonight.
And Brock Lesnar is laughing. The Beast is enjoying every second of what he's doing to Seth Rollins.
Seth has been taunting Brock week in and week out, and now he faces...
Seth Rollins anticipated a trip to Suplex City. He knew tonight would be painful, but I don't think even Seth Rollins, the architect,
Look at his
was
back,
expecting
Corey. Look
this
at Rollins'
sort
back.
of assault.
Just tossed coast
Right
to
after
coast
Seth
across
Rollins,
the ring.
leaving nothing to chance here tonight. Champion Lesnar. Well, remember what Paul Heyman said this past week, that Brock Lesnar will, quote, violate Seth Rollins, that he will, quote, desecrate the good name of WrestleMania. Release German from the champion Lesnar.
You know,
well, remember what Paul Heyman said this past week, that Brock Lesnar will, quote, violate Seth Rollins, that he will, quote, desecrate the good name.
I don't know how, but Seth Rollins
This is for the Universal Championship. Brock Lesnar's the champion. Seth Rollins is the challenger as Lesnar looks to make short work of Rollins here tonight.
This is hardly fair for Seth Rollins.
This is the moment for Seth.
Look at his
expecting this
Rollins back.
assault.
Toss post to post across the ring.
And
Oh my
another
God.
release German from the champion Lesnar.
Toss post to post across the ring.
Well, remember what Paul Heyman said this past week, that Brock Lesnar will, quote, violate Seth Rollins, that he will, quote, desecrate the good name of WrestleMania.
And you know,
Called the beast. He is relentless. He is merciless. Rollins goes low.
once again, Lesnar ordering the referee to start the match. We take another look at the brutality.
Fair play. A kick to the face. Well, remember what Paul Heyman said this past week, that Brock Lesnar will, quote, violate Seth Rollins, that he will, quote, desecrate the good name of WrestleMania.
And you know,
Brock Lesnar almost ran into the official low. Rollins goes low. Rollins goes low. Reminiscent of Monday
laughing. The Beast is enjoying every.
Reminiscent of Monday Night on Raw.
The referee was outside of the ring, wasn't able to see it.
And now Rollins hopes turnabout's fair play. A kick to the face of the Beast.
I don't know how, but Seth Rollins needs to find the will to keep on fighting, to dethrone the Beast.
There's the stop to Lesnar. Can Rollins capitalize?
But Lesnar's almost back up. Oh, the Beast.
There's the stop to Lesnar. Can Rollins capitalize?
Lesnar's almost back up.
Table to our left. Rollins trying to pull himself to his feet, trying to will his way back into this match.
The Universal Champion is wounded. The challenger is up.
This is the moment.
Lesnar still instinctively fighting his way up, still suffering the effects of the low blow, and 2 stops.
A third, a trifecta of stuck in the brain of Brock Lesnar for 4 years. Stops, cover by Rollins, hook to the leg. Seth Rollins is the Universal Champion.
Here is your winner, and the new Universal
The 2 stops.
A third, a trifecta of stuck in the brain of Brock Lesnar for 4 years. WrestleMania history. Seth Rollins claimed after WrestleMania.